Okay. So now let's try to understand the output method through which we can understand the progress, how that is being created. So let's try to understand through one example of Tesla. That Tesla signs a contract to deliver 100 Model 3 cars to a corporate client for $5 million, which is like $50,000 per car. Now Tesla recognizes the revenue based on units delivered, which is output method. Progress is like in the first 20 cars when they deliver, they recognize 50,000 multiplied by 20, which comes to $1 million in revenue. Similarly, when they deliver next 30 cars, they will be recognized remaining $1.5 million. So it is like the output method, units delivered, then revenue recognized. Let's try to see the textbook definition of output method here, which is like revenue is recognized based on value delivered to the customers relative to the remaining goods or services. So if out of 100 flats needs to be delivered, 50 flats delivered, then 50% will be the revenue recognition. And similarly, out of 50 cars, 20 cars delivered, so 20 will be recognized. When 30 delivered, 30 will be recognized. There may be examples of output method like whatever units will be delivered, how much time has been passed. Out of the 12 months Microsoft subscription, you have used 3 months of subscription, then 3-month revenue will be recognized. Similarly, milestone achieved can be there, which is like out of 100 development modules, you have done 40 modules already, so 40% will be recognized. After that, survey of performance of completed, whatever is completed, and based upon that some survey can be done. And finally, appraisal of result achieved. So on the basis of certain result achieved, output can be measured. Now only use the output method when chosen output represent actual progress towards completing the performance obligation. Basically, it should be the actual progress, there should not be any fake progress. Finally, if outputs are not measurable or observable, just like in above cases what we discussed, if those are not measurable or observable, then we will simply say input method we can use, which we will see in the next session.